Meaning of discouraging.
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 Discouraging. The term discouraging refers to the act of causing someone to feel less confident or hopeful about something. It can be seen as a negative influence on a person, preventing them from taking action or pursuing their goals. When someone is discouraged, they are likely to experience feelings of disappointment, frustration, and demotivation. This can lead to a lack of progress or productivity, and in extreme cases, it may even cause them to give up entirely. Overall, discouraging has a detrimental effect on a person's mindset and ability to achieve their objectives.